we will start the presentation by a question. Should we buy a whole power drill when you will need a small hole in the wall?
Sorry.
No.
No.
No. Why?
You only use it once.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Good answer.
So, on average, the power on the standard power tools usually use like 12 to 30 minutes for its entire lifespan, meaning that 90% of it will completely stand still in your garage and more than 250 days a year. So, I don't think any homeowners want to spend hundreds of dollars buying a single function which give you no investment or return. So why this problem is important? First, is you need to spend more money on buying more things. And second, it will produce waste. And the last, there's no community access. So we also research another model which uses code and inverts to library. It saves 1.5 million pounds and also cutting about 180 tons of carbon emissions by sharing tools.
And with all of that, we introduced SharedKit, a little innovation that made by me, Viet Khoi, and maybe partially by Zach. It's a kind of tool where it's an app where we let the neighbors easily rent and borrow stuff from each other. So SharedKit, what we aim to do is SharedKit will let neighbors easily rent and share Google tools with each other. What the app does is it includes ID checks, photos, and micro insurance, just to keep your stuff safe. And we also offer like local repair hubs, maintain all tools to keep tools safe. So here are some notable features of ours. We have an interactive map on the website where users can find all the tools easily and kind of go there. We have user verification and again, prior to mention, the repair hub where we can, in case your stuff gets broken, you can get it fixed. Before that, thank you to 20 people for giving us the data to work with. So through our research, there are some people, we have noticed that some people have shared that people will feel a little uncomfortable if they share their expensive tools because they spend a lot of money on it. They're kind of scared that it may be a bit either lost or damaged. And we have integrated some security features. So first off, we have user verifications. We incorporate ID checks, security card votes, and pre-check photos, which is AS supported, just to like check document on the tool's condition before and after use. And we have data encryption and in-app masking. So
So I will show you the website prototypes. At here, you can so here you can find any items you want. For example, tools, cabinet, or telescopic. For example, I want to borrow a tool from Frank and Chi. I will click and request to borrow, like this. Then I can chat with him. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. We also include a maintenance service where we can repair our like broken tools or something. Here's our lender profile. For example, this me code. For the verifications, we prioritize IDs and address verified, so there won't be any stealing or like damaging item.
And with that, this is like a picture of our operations. So for our target customer, we're planning for aim predominantly to basically suburban homeowners and urban renters where they could be driven by home improvement, gardening, maybe there's some seek cost. And in the channels we operate in this for channels where it's have a local web platform, mobile apps, engage community groups, and we plan to partner up with like local hardware stores, insurance providers, and community repair cafes.
For the future growth, first we will work in the communities, then we expand to universities, and we can expand up to cities or even international. So for the main competitors, there will be others to rental hubs and also locals to stop.
So based on our empirical research, here's what we found. So like the high cost of like these tools are kind of the reason why people want to share like people to share items with each other instead. And we found like many items like tools can go underutilized in many households because like maybe they're just used for like one-off projects. And to conclude, we said we can find that microinsurance builds the trust and demand, and there's a strong community interest in